You're about to see an exciting new way to harvest the best long-tail keywords, and it all starts with something rather familiar: Google Autocomplete. You know that Google Autocomplete helps you find information quickly by displaying searches that might be similar to the one that you're typing. For instance, if I type the word iPod, I get a bunch of keywords displayed in the drop-down box. Now, these are keywords that people are actually searching for in Google, but what most internet marketers and website owners don't know is that Google Autocomplete and Google AdWords Keyword Tool use two different databases. Most keyword tools out there are based on the Google AdWords Keyword Tool, and most marketers use that very same database to research niches and keywords. So autocomplete is basically an untapped money-making stream. So what if there was a way to save all these keywords? Well, now there is. It's called Keyword Suggestion, and it is dynamite. It's the best long-tailed keyword tool ever. Once you type your query in the search box, simply put an asterisk where you would like Google to suggest related phrases. From there, Keyword Suggestion automatically replaces your asterisk with each letter of the alphabet and saves the response from Google. Now, this is ingenious. It allows you to harvest thousands of keywords that people are actually searching for within minutes. Now, let's suppose you have a website about iPods and want to gather a few how questions people ask about iPods. You can try this query: how asterisk iPod. Once you built your list of keyword-related searches, there are even more keywords to be added to your list. Introducing the amazing Idea Generator that's infused with this product. By introducing your keyword in one of the four boxes that the Idea Generator provides, you get a bunch of possible queries. So for iPod, I get all these nice suggestions that can each be run through Keyword Suggestion and gather some extra hundreds of keywords. There is a possibility to add or remove any queries in the Idea Generator yourself. You can also save results as either text or CSV file, which is great because it will work with virtually any keyword tracking tool out there. Another amazing feature is analysis. Out of the thousands of keywords you'll generate, you want to start with the best. So once you've run Keyword Suggestion and got all your keywords, you just click inside one and it gets automatically moved inside Analysis. Analysis then provides useful information about the keyword, how many times a month the keyword is searched for, and the KEI. This is completely different than anything else out on the market. The KEI is an index, by the way, that measures competition. The higher the KEI, the better. As you can see, there are a lot of long-tail keywords that people are actually searching for, but nobody is ranking for. Keyword Suggestion is the best tool out there that can gather all these keywords within minutes.